Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5, a smart vacuum cleaner with suction and mapping features. Let's talk about how well it works. The Robot Vacuum E5 uses sensors to map your floor and plan its path. It picks up dust, dirt and pet air from hard floors and low-pile carpets. You can start cleaning with the button on the robot or use the Mi Home app to schedule runs. It returns to its charging base when the battery is low. I tested it around furniture and it did not bump too much. The mapping was accurate and showed clean and unclean areas. The dustbin is easy to remove and empty, but there is no mopping function. It only vacuums. It's quiet enough to run while watching TV. Cleaning performance is solid for everyday messes, especially from pets. This vacuum is a great helper for light daily cleaning. It does a good job with dust, pet hair, and mopping, and the app makes it easy to control. If you did cleaning or mopping, you will want to add a mop on option to go for a higher model. Let me know what you think in the comments and if you like a mopping version next. If you enjoyed this, hit like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.